Today I'm going to teach you how to do a granny square, but instead of doing it in a normal square, you're going to do it in rows. You're going to start with a slip knot and an odd number of chains. After you finish there, you're going to go into the third chain from your hook and make a double crochet. Since your beginning chain counts as your first double crochet, you're just going to make one more double crochet in that same chain. Then you're going to chain one, skipping the next 3 chain spaces. You're going to go into the 4th chain, and then you're going to make 3 double crochets. And you're going to repeat that till the end of the row. You're going to chain 1, skip 3 stitches. Working into the 4th chain, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Repeat that till the end of your row, and I'll show you what to do at the end of your row. You should have 4 chains left when you finish your last stitch. Go into the last chain and make a double crochet. Then you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. Beginning in the first stitch, you're going to make 1 double crochet. Chain 1, and working into the chain space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. You're going to do that in every chain space. You're going to chain 1 and make 3 double crochets in every chain space. And then at the end of your row, you're going to make 1 double crochet in the last stitch. You're going to repeat that for the entirety of the project. Like I said, at the end of your row, you're going to chain 1 and make 1 double crochet into that last stitch. At the end of your row, you're going to chain 2 and begin the whole thing over again. You're going to make 1 double crochet in your first stitch. Then, in every chain space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. And after every chain space, you're going to chain 1 to get to the next chain space. At the end of your row, you're going to chain 1 and make a double crochet into your last stitch, chain 2, and turn your work. Here's how my project looks after 6 rows. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.